Hi, Nini. Wait, where are you? Are you in a cafe again? In the same cafe or a different one? Why can't I hear you? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, I can't hear you, Nini. Can you try again?
And
Yeah, it's okay now. Okay.
at, at, after my
Oh, wait, can you try to plug it in again? Plug it in. Because I can't hear you. I can hear your voice, but not clear.
okay.
Okay, yeah, it's okay now, Nini. Thank you. So, how's your morning, Nini? How's your
Today,
morning?
today I was at the coffee and I learned. I don't learn all the class because I
Okay.
was up too late. And but other teachers said that we will skip again at 21 July, and my MC teachers is going to this mother.
Okay, I see. So, it's a relaxed day for you. Well, you deserve that. You keep on studying. So, time to rest and relax, Nini. Okay, so now if you can still remember, we're done talking about this video, right? So now it is your turn to talk about it, Nini. I will give you only 1 minute and then we will start right away. Yes. Yes, 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 Nini. Okay, take your time, Nini, and 1 minute, just 1 minute. Okay, let us start now, Nini. No, I can't hear you again. Do you have an extra headphones? No, I can't hear you clearly, Nini. Do you have an extra headphones? Where is your other headphone, Nini? No, I can't hear anything. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Wait, I can't hear you. No voice at all. No voice at all.
Oh, oh, I, I know. I see this. My voice is up and down.
Oh, it's okay now, Nini. It's okay now. Okay, let us try again. Okay, can you talk about it?
Okay. This is a picture of now. Um, this is best families the boys with a shirt and white jeans is fishing. The girls red shirts and shorts is reading the newspapers. Dad is going to have lunch in the car. On the sand, there are two seashells. There are many rocks too. There is a lighthouse with red and yellow, red and white colors. On the sea, there's a boat, big. There's a small yellow boat with people inside. There's a white bird too. In the sea, there's and meadows. On the land, there is a pink house. Pink house. Uh, okay, teachers.
Oh, it's done? It's done now? That was so quick. Okay, thank you so much for that, Nini. And if you can still remember, we're done watching the video about it, right? No, you can't remember it? Okay, let us watch it. Wait.
This is a picture of a beach by the sea. It's a sunny day. There are 3 people on the land. A boy is fishing with a fishing rod. A man in a green shirt is carrying a blue bag on his back and a blue suitcase. Behind the man, there is a red Jeep on the beach. A girl is sitting on a chair, wearing a red t-shirt and yellow shorts, and reading a newspaper. I can see 3 boats in the sea, a sailboat, a small speedboat, and a big cruise ship. There is a red and white lighthouse and a pink house on the hill. Everyone looks happy and busy on this sunny day.
Okay, there you have it, Nini. Okay, so it's just easy to talk about pictures like this, isn't it? Okay, so yes, it shows a picture of not an island, Nini, but a beach. Okay, by the sea, and here is the island. Okay, so now, Nini, let us proceed to another one. Okay, so look at this. Wait, let me see how many pictures do we have left.
Yes.
Okay, we only have, yes? I can't hear you. What did you say?
Teachers, do you know the
Yes?
hangman game?
Yes, I know it. Why?
Yes.
Why? Do you want to play hangman? Well, I can let you play it. Okay, wait. Word wall. I play it sometimes with Lina. Okay, wait, let me see. Just the easier ones. Okay, let us try this one. I am a source of the creamiest milk.
C.
Ooh. See?
Oh, teacher.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
W.
W? W?
S. Teacher S. Teacher, do you know this?
I forgot this one, Nini. Okay, can you give me another word? Give me another word. I mean another letter. What is it, Nini? It's it's. Do we have a? You don't know? You should try it, Nini. You should try it. You told me to play hangman, now you don't want to play it? No, I can't hear you. No, I. Okay, so we'll just continue that one if we still have time, Nini. Now let us proceed to this one.
I would write
What?
this.
Oh,
This is the. No, I would draw that.
oh, okay. So now, just think of it first, Nini. Now let us have the speaking practice 40. Can you tell me where is the dog? Okay, is the dog like what color is it? What color is the dog?
Round.
Okay, is the dog playing? What is it doing?
It's sleeping.
How many doors can you see? How many doors can you see?
7.
Okay, yes, we can see 7 doors. What can you see on the coat rack?
Coat.
And jacket. Okay. Now, where is the clock?
Is above the coat.
Okay, above the hat, Nini. What is under the clock? What is under the clock? What, Nini? I can't hear you again, Nini. Okay, a hat is under the clock. What is on the table? What is on the table? No, I can't hear you, Nini. Do you have another headphones?
No. That is a flower vase.
Okay, flower vase. Okay, now how many shoes are under the table? Okay, there are 3 pairs of shoes. What color are they? I can't hear you, Nini.
Black, blue, and red.
Okay, now where is the mirror?
The mirror is above the table.
Okay, yes, it's on the wall above the table. Now, what color are the flowers?
The color of flowers is red and yellow.
What can you see in the kitchen?
I can see on table the chairs, a cupboard, a window, and a couple water jars,
Okay, it's a pot.
a couple pots.
Okay, so now, Nini, since we're done about talking about the questions, then it is time for you to present it. Okay, are you ready now?
No.
Okay, so 1 minute, Nini, 1 minute, and we'll present it directly. Okay, let us start now, Nini. Ready now? Wait, why not? Okay, so 1 minute more. No, this is an easy one. What? This is an easy one, right? Yes, Teeny. Ready now? Let us start now.
This is pictures of
Of.
house.
Can you put your mic near your mouth, Nini? Because I can't hear you clearly. Just like what you did earlier. I can't hear your voice. I can't hear you, Nini. I can't hear you, Nini. Nini? Nini? No, I can't hear your voice. I can't hear your voice.
Teacher, wait. When I go home,
It's okay now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Continue, continue. And I can't hear you again.
why is that?
Oh, it's okay now. Don't move. Move. Okay.
This is the pictures of the house. There is a dog. The dog has a round and word on the word. They are jacket and there's a hat too. The hat is top. Opposite there's a mirror. The mirror is both the tables. There's vase with a red and yellow flowers. Under the table, there are seven that are to the different seven doors. In the middle is the chicken. And on the door is closed. Closed. The doors is yellow and the floor is blue. On the top of the floor is a light.
Is it done? How do you end your presentation, Nini? What?
Just I don't know how to end.
Okay, so you can say that the house looks tidy and clean. Okay, so you can end it that way, Nini. Thank you so much. That is more organized than I expected to be, Nini. Very good for that one. Now let us watch the video about it. Okay, we're now already in 40. Wait, where is 40? We don't have 40? Yes, we don't have 40. Okay, so instead, we'll just read what is in here. Okay, so now, can you read it, Tini?
Round top. If hey, it's doors
I think these are closets, Nini. Closet.
The crop there are two and hat and under it there's strings with hat. On the tables there's best and and chairs. Looks steady and bright.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Nini. That is how you end that presentation. Thank you so much. And now we can have a 5-minute break, Nini. So join the class once it's already 10:30. Okay. See you in a bit, Nini.